Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the live wallpaper are not working on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version of iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS 18 and now the live wallpaper are not working on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here you need to open settings on your iPhone device. So first of all, here you'll have to make sure that you have active internet connection on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here you will have to again open settings on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you will have to scroll down and here you will have to tap on wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad device. So here wallpaper, you will need to tap on this. Then after that, here make sure that it is enabled from here. So make sure that live wallpaper are enabled from here. If it is not enabled, then here you'll have to enable this from here. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open settings on your iPhone device. So after that, here you'll have to scroll down and here you'll have to tap on accessibility. Again, scroll down, then tap on here touch. So here tap on touch. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you'll have to scroll up, then tap on 3D and haptic touch. So here make sure that this is enabled from here. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open settings on your iPhone device, then scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on soft update and make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 or later. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next section. Again, open settings, then tap on general, then here scroll it up all the way, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. So after that, here you need to enter your iPhone password. Then after that, check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here close this tab. Then after that, here you'll have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use live wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad device after these steps. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.